Hello friends, welcome to Sketchup coding tutorials. In this tutorial we'll learn how to draw a parabolic curve, and to learn that curve I will take an example of road camber or the road cross slope. So in actual practice the road is not a straight surface, it is somewhat curved towards the sides. So this is called camber or cross slope. So in SketchUp model we can draw the camber like this. Let's draw a line, let's say. Then we can go to the 2-point arc and click on one point and next point, and it will show a vertical pulse. So we can type, let's say, 0.07 and press enter. Then it will easily draw this face or this parabolic arc. But how to do this in automated way in coding, I will explain it. First, let me make you clear about how the parabolic arc works. A road is in the form of this shape. Let's say the road is two-lane road. The overall length of the road is from this point to this point, that is 7 meter, and the width of one lane is 3.5 meter. It's half of 7, which is 3.5 meter. Now the road is curving like this, and this point, this length is called the crown of the road. And for instance, I am taking the camber value as 1:50. That means if the length is 50, the crown would be 1. So from our calculation, if the width is 3.5, the crown would be 3.5 by 50, which will be 0.07 meter. Now I am considering this as the center point 0, 0. So if I consider it as a parabolic equation, then z, which is the height, equals to k times x squared. Since it passes through origin, whenever x equal to 0, z will be equal to 0. So whenever x equals to width, or from here to here, the z will be minus crown. Z will be minus crown. So solving this, k will be equal to minus crown over width square. So we are going to use this equation as a curve of a parabola to draw in SketchUp. Let's go to the model, press Ctrl A and press delete key. Then let's go to window, Ruby code editor and Ruby code editor. So these are the three default codings. So since we are making the parabolic curve by using the number of line segments, so we will define the number of line segments to be, let's say, 12. Then we will assign the center point as 0, 0, 0. From before we have already taken the width to be 3.5, so we are going to take width as 3.5. So here I am not going to deal with the specific units here. I am just going to illustrate the camber and how to draw the parabolic arc. So we are not concerning on the specific units, and we have already found the crown one to be 0.07 from the previous demonstration. And also, what's the value of k? The value of k is equal to minus crown over width square. So k equals to minus crown over width square. But you cannot write square in this form. In Ruby you need to write 2 asterisk to get the power. Then we need to find the length of each segment. The length of each segment will be, so width times 2 divided by number of segments. Then let's define the area of points as PDS. Then we are going to run a loop such that we can draw a line in each iteration. So we use for loop for I in 0 to the number of iterations we need to do is 12. So at first the x coordinate will be minus width plus I times the length of each segment. Then the points of ith value will be given by x coordinate comma 0 comma what will be the value of z. We have already found it to be k into x squared. So k times x squared, and the loop will end. Then we are going to draw the lines from these points. So lines equal to entities dot add line from these points. So let's run this program. since this is defined as crown 1, so I'll also write crown 1 here. So let's run it again, and it will give a parabolic curve here. Now for a better visualization, let's draw a face from this. So I'll define face 1 equals to ent dot add face from these points. Let's run this program and it will make a curved surface from this. So it will be our normal road surface with a camber and a parabolic arc. Now to make it more interesting, we can just push face 1, pull by some amount, let's say minus 100 units, and let's again run this program and it will make the road surface also. We have ascertained the number of edges to be 12, so it will draw 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 number of edges to draw this curve. So if we assign this number to be, let's say 99, and go to the model control, press Control A and delete this, and again return to the model and again press Control R and run, it will make 99 edges to draw this curve. So more will be the number of edges, the more smoother will be the curve. So if we look it from the top, the road will look like this. So this is all about drawing the parabolic arc and its application in drawing the camber or the cross section of the road. So I hope you guys liked my video. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video. So keep watching and keep supporting.